Technology and Livelihood Education, Industrial Arts for Grade 8. Quarter 4 Week 1, our topic is different types of building plans. The following are the objectives of this lesson. Can you name this famous building? Where is this located? Can you name this famous building? Who stays in this place? How do you think this building built? Is planning important in building houses and structures? Content area vocabulary. Plan refers to a detailed proposal for achieving something or carrying out a specific task. Symbol, a mark that represents or stands for an abstract idea. Diagram, a symbolic representation of information using visualization technique. The following are the different types of building plans. Building plans are detailed drawings and documents that show how a structure will be designed and constructed. They serve as a guide for architects, engineers, builders, and government inspectors. The site plan is the initial design created for any project, representing the entire layout of the construction site. It includes the location of all buildings and other features on the property. This plan provides an overview of how the structures will be situated on the land. The floor plan is a scale diagram of the arrangement of rooms in one story of a building. The different types of floor plans are the following. First is the open floor plans. These combine the living space and kitchen into one large room, promoting family togetherness. The closed floor plans. Each room is a separate space, offering more privacy. The split-level floor plans. These feature a big open space on one level and bedrooms on a different level, balancing privacy and visibility. The structural plan provides a comprehensive view of the building's structural aspects. It includes details about load-bearing walls, columns, beams, and other structural elements. The terrace plan. It focuses on outdoor spaces like balconies, terraces, and rooftops. It outlines the layout, materials, and features of these elevated areas. The cross-section plan shows a vertical slice through the building, revealing its internal structure. It helps visualize how different floors and components relate to each other. The elevation plan are views of the building's exterior from different angles. They showcase architectural details, such as windows, doors, and decorative elements. The landscape drawing plan focus on the outdoor landscape, including gardens, pathways, and green spaces. Landscape plans consider aesthetics, functionality, and environment factors. Remember, each type of plan serves a specific purpose in the construction process, ensuring that the final building meets both functional and aesthetic requirements.
A time to remember. This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.